In this video, I will show you top 11 web design trends for 2024. The last 3 will just blow your mind. Let's start from number 11. Neon glows are like the superheroes of coolness, and guess what? They are back in action. Lots of new websites are catching onto this trend, making their headers super colorful and eye-catching. Why? Well, throwing in a dash of neon magic makes the text on website headers stand out big time. It's like turning up the awesome dial. But hold on, it gets even cooler. Some design pros are taking it to the next level, not just stopping at headers. They are unleashing neon glows to create mind-blowing interactions and animations. It's like a digital dance party on your screen. Sometimes what makes a design interesting is what you can't see. The off-screen elements trend plays on this idea with moving graphics, text, or other elements that seem to move right off the screen. Motions can happen on its own or as a result of hover or scroll interactions. What's awesome about this trend? It makes people stop and ponder like a mini puzzle for website visitors. But here's the trick. Keep it simple. Too much action can make the message vanish. So simplicity is the secret sauce for rocking this trend. Now before moving to the next trend, let's talk about the sponsor of this video, Kitpapa.com. Kitpapa is one of the best places to get trendy WordPress and Elementor kits. No matter if you want to make a portfolio website, business website, restaurant, real estate, education, or any niche website, Kitpapa is one-stop solution for you. With each of their kits, you can see the preview with mobile responsiveness and a video installation guide. So without hiring any professional web developer, you can make your modern and trendy websites within a few clicks. And their price is really affordable. You can just buy the kit you like, or you can have their all access for your freelance business or agency. Scrolling is something that's here to stay, so why not make your scroll arrows and instructions more fun and creative? There are no distinct rules to follow here, just have fun and be creative. The more interesting your scroll arrow and animation, the more likely it is to generate engagement. Common design elements and effects include animation, colors, shapes, and other elements that tie the arrow to the rest of the design while helping direct users. Want your website to stand out? Try intricate illustrations. They are like a secret language that instantly connects with users. These detailed artworks can be used all over your site or just for a picture, icon, or team photo. Yes, they take some time to create, but the result is worth it. Look for vibrant colors, realistic textures, busy scenes, and a touch of animation. It's like turning your website into a visual masterpiece. Websites are no longer just about sharing information or promoting a business. They are also about delivering an immersive and memorable experience to each and every visitor. Big brands are going all in, creating 3D web adventures. Imagine strolling through shops and checking out products in a virtual wonderland. Why is this cool? 2 big reasons. First, it makes websites super memorable. You will remember them for ages and probably tell your buddies about the awesome experience you have. Get ready for a blast from the past. AI art and 3D websites are taking over, but guess what? People are also craving the good old days. Designers, here's your chance. Bring back those classic layouts from the early 2000s and sprinkle in some vibes from the 90s. Take folks on a trip down memory lane while keeping things fresh with modern touches. Retro-themed web design is the hot trend this year, creating a cool balance so the web doesn't get swamped with AI stuff. It's like giving the internet a stylish makeover with a hint of nostalgia. On the other end of the design spectrum are cinema-style homepages with feature full-screen video stories and little else. This style of design makes the user feel like they are part of the video and immersed in the scene at hand. Other elements are often minimalized and tucked into the corners of the screen to give plenty of room to the video. And here's the cool part, these projects use cinema-style effects like slow motion, vignettes, and other movie magic. It's like turning your website into a cinematic experience. Guess what? Websites are breaking free from old rules. For years, it was all about grids and columns, keeping things neat and tidy. But hold on, there is a revolution happening. Dynamic layouts are taking over, no more strict grids. Content is everywhere, giving users the freedom to roam and explore the site in their own way. This change is happening fast, and soon it's going to be the cool new norm for website design. Get ready for a more exciting and flexible web experience. Every design element doesn't have to have its own container, they can overlap. Why does this matter? Well, overlapping elements add depth and guide your eyes from one cool thing to the next in a design. But here's the trick. You gotta layer them right so everything stays readable, especially on mobiles. Otherwise, this trend might not be as awesome as it sounds. So let's dive into the art of overlap and make designs pop. Split screens design is a trend that just keeps getting cooler. What's awesome about today's split screens? They're not just there, they are interactive and engaging. It's like a design playground with video-like and 3D elements. But here's the secret sauce. Make it yours. Split screens can give users choices or just balance text and images. It's all about making it work for you. Picture this. A neat homepage that makes you want to explore more. Super minimal styles, especially for homepages, are the cool thing right now. You can go for a flat background with text or a photo or video vibe with just a headline. These super minimal aesthetics strip almost everything out of the design. But you are taking a risk with so few interactive options. If you have enjoyed all the trendy designs, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below your opinion. And please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. For now, bye bye.